All right, so the first thing we're gonna do actually is take off the flywheel right here. It had this case on it, and the case just has 3 bolts. One right there, right there, right there. I think I am gonna use the new case. And yeah, so we're just gonna take this off. That's a 14 millimeter, so I'll just get started. Let's just get into this. There's no coil. So I stuck it in where there's no coil. I found the spot where there's no coil in there. So now it just goes all the way back. Oh. There we go. Take that off now. So next you want to grab a flywheel puller. I got this on eBay for like $5. This is a 27 millimeter left-handed thread. So you just stick it in and you spin it left-handed until it goes all the way to the back. It gets super tight. So now it's all the way back there. Then you twist this front one right-handed until that one gets tight. And let's see what size. I think it's probably like 17 mil. Let me go grab one. So then you want to get something to just clamp onto this side so it doesn't spin. You want to just hold that tight. Might have to stand up for this one. Okay, that didn't work. All right, we're gonna try another method. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Just had to use the hammer. Haha! There we go. Boom! Just had to use the hammer. That's it. Alright. Now that we got that out, we're going to pull off this broken gasket. See that? Take that out of there. The stator, it's got these 2 screws right there. No, it's got these 2 screws right there. And I'm going to use, there's one right there and one right there. And I'm going to use an impact screwdriver to see if I can get it out. Now, I've never used an impact screwdriver before, so my first time. So from what I've read, is you stick the screwdriver in there, impact driver, and you just give it a whack and a turn. So that is exactly what I am going to try to do. So we got it in there. go. Boom. Just like that. Alright, now for the bottom one. I assume is the same thing. There we go. Easy peasy. Definitely pick up one of these Harbor Freight impact drivers. And my bit is still fine too. This was $6.99, I think, which is pretty damn good price. Alright, so that all came out, and I assume we can just, what is this right here? So that comes out. I think we gotta get like a screwdriver of some sort. Okay, so that's the old Stator right there. That's where it broke off. This little thing. Probably could replace. I'm just gonna keep this just in case. I'll keep it. I have no idea what that goes to, which is weird. Alright. Well, let's get this going back. So we got red and black to red and black. Yeah, blue and white to blue and white. And we got green to green. All I gotta do now is put the flywheel back on, get the screws tightened down, and that's it. Alright guys, so tightening this flywheel nut back on was a real pain in the ass. I didn't have the tool to do it, so what I did is I got a wrench that had double sided like this. I don't know what they're called. And then, let me see if I can set you up. So I had it like that. I stuck it one side on the peg, and then I spun the flywheel around till it got in that little hole. And then once it basically got in there, I just took my torque wrench and then prevented the flywheel from spinning, and I just torqued it down. It's already at the specified torque. I did 35 foot-pounds of torque. So that's how I got that on. It was a pain in the ass, but it's on there now. So I'll check back in once I get the cover on, and we're gonna fire it up. So to put the case on, it's just 8mm. Alright. Well, the case they sent me, the bolts don't line up. So the one they sent me, there's a bolt there, but the bolt right there is supposed to be right there. I don't know if you can see it. See, it's supposed to be right there, but the one they sent me is right there. So, I don't think that last bolt is gonna go on unless I stick it in this hole where there's nothing, just to save it. And just to save that one. Then we'll go ahead and tighten all these up. You don't want to over tighten them, but you do want them snug on there. Get this one just in there. Chain's a little loose, but it's okay. And that's it. Oh yeah, we gotta tie up all these wires and. Alright, we're gonna electrical tape those and zip tie them up. Alright, I got everything zip tied back on. Everything's plugged up, ready to go. We're gonna give it a test start, I guess. Moment of truth. Alright, moment of truth. Got it working again. Glad she's running. We'll take her for a quick spin. Alright, well that's it. She's running. Just got to get her an oil change. Probably clean out the carb because it was probably flooded from, well, I don't know if it's flooded, but definitely clean it out or swap it out with that new Mikuni. So I'll probably be doing that. Spark plug's gonna come. But yeah, she's running again. Excited. Well, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos on this pit bike build series. Like I said, we got all this stuff to build. So yeah, stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe button. Peace.